There's a story of a young daughter on Thanksgiving who goes up to her mum and asks her mum, why do you cut the turkey in half before you put it in the oven? And the mother kind of scratches her head and says, I don't know why, I do it because my mother did it that way. So the little daughter, curious, went up to the grandmother and asked the grandmother, Grandma, why do you cut the turkey in half before you put it in the oven? And the grandma paused for a second and again scratched her head similar to the mum and said, I don't know, I did it that way because my mum did it. So the curious little daughter goes up to the great-grandmother and asks the great-grandmother, Great-grandma, why do you cut the turkey in half before you put it in the oven? And the great-grandmother said, I cut it in half because my oven was too small. There are many beliefs that we take on from our parents and from authority figures in society that we never question. We never put them under the microscope and ask, does this belief serve me on my trajectory and what I want to accomplish in life? You see, so many of the rules in society and so many of the rules that potentially your parents bought into and were important to them, or your grandparents, the rules that were important to them, are now outdated and antiquated. And to blindly take on beliefs and injected ideas without ever putting them under the microscope and questioning them is setting yourself up for failure. Especially as a trader, trading is one of those pursuits that requires you to think differently, to think a little different to how other people in society think. So if you want to become a consistently profitable trader, you must become aware of your mental blocks, the belief system you currently have in your mind, your mental programming, and learn how to rewire belief systems and mental programmings that no longer serve you.